Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to give or remove admin permissions for another player in Hytale. The first thing I want you to do is actually press enter on your keyboard to open up the chat box. And then here I want you to type in /OP and then have a space, type in self. This will give yourself operator permissions for that server if you haven't already. And once you have operator permissions, you can give other people operator permissions as well. So if I go ahead and type in op add right there, and then I type in the other person's username, I can add them as an operator, basically giving them admin permissions. So as you can see, this person is now an operator. And the same way I can also remove this by just typing in op remove and then that person's name. Make sure you have spaces there, and then you just type that in, and they're no longer an operator. But that is how to give or remove admin permissions for another player in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.